Welcome to the online video tutorial for using Sime Darby's EPS Online Performance Management tool. Following on from the EPS video tutorial series for employees, this series of tutorials is for managers of executive employees only. To make it easier for you to work through the system and be able to review specific functions quickly and easily, we have separated the online tutorials into 5 topics. These are System Access and the Home page, Performance Planning Completion, Mid-Year Reviews, Year-End Reviews, and Password Management. We will move straight into System Access and the Home page now. To gain access to the EPS Online tool, simply type in the URL on screen now into your browser URL text box and click Enter. You will then be taken to the Login page, where you can enter your user ID and password. Your user ID is the same as your 8-digit employee number located at the top left-hand side of your payslip. Your password has been created for you. So if you are a first-time user, do not know your password, or have forgotten it, simply click on the Forgotten Password link below, and an email will be automatically sent to you with your password. Once you have your user ID and password entered into the appropriate input boxes, then click Login. Having gained access to the tool, you will now be on the home page. Before we can go any further, you should take note that the online tool has an auto 60-minute timeout function. Please do not leave the online tool open or unattended without any activity for more than 60 minutes. And make sure that you regularly save your work. Any unsaved work will be lost if the online tool times out during a session. Saving your work is covered later on in this tutorial. This is the default view for the home page, which you can return to at any time by clicking the underlined Home link at the top right of the page. You can sign out of the system at any time by clicking on the underlined Sign Out link, also at the top right of the page. You will note the home page has 9 sections displayed in its layout. As an employee, you would normally use the first section, My Performance Documents. However, in this process as a manager carrying out reviews of your executive employees, you need only utilize one of these sections, which is Team Performance Documents. You can minimize the rest by clicking on the Minimize button at the top right of each section. Other than this section, along with My Performance Documents, the Home link, and the Sign Out link, you do not need to use any of the other links, functions, or sections on the home page. That completes the tutorial for System Access and the Home page. You can now move on to the next in this series, which is Performance Planning Completion.